Today we take you to Sicily to discover together the delicious Sicilian pesto, a vibrant condiment that captures the island's flavors. Ingredients: 400 grams of ripe tomatoes, blanched and peeled, deseeded and drained. 100 grams of blanched almonds. A bunch of fragrant basil. 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, depending on your preference. 50 grams of hard ricotta, such as ricotta salata, cut into small pieces. 50 grams of grated pecorino cheese. Extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. To start, combine the almonds, garlic cloves, washed and dried basil, tomato pieces, hard ricotta, and grated pecorino in a blender. Blend everything together, adding extra virgin olive oil until you achieve a smooth and fairly thick cream. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt if needed. Your Sicilian pesto is ready to dress the pasta of your choice. Sicilian pesto pairs wonderfully with spaghetti or bruschetta, making every dish a unique experience. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Sicilian pesto, with its blend of fresh tomatoes and aromatic almonds, perfectly reflects the vibrant flavors of Sicily, bringing a touch of Mediterranean sunshine to every dish.